This is just a quick stabilization test comparing the Go2 and the Hero 10. These files are straight out of the cameras, and to me the GoPro footage looks sharper and more detailed, but if we look at the stabilization, the Go2 is smoother than a dolphin playing jazz while sipping pear nectar out of Keira Knightley's career. It's unbelievably smooth, is what I'm saying. Now I'm going to play the clips again, but this time I've increased the contrast of the Go2 to look a bit more like the Hero 10, so we can just focus on the stabilization. Of course, when I play the files full screen on my 4K monitor, the Hero 10 looks more detailed because of its higher resolution. But I can't seem to capture footage that's as well stabilized as the footage the Go2 gives me, which is almost gimbal-like. So my questions are, what's more important, image quality or stabilization? And will Keira Knightley ever make another period drama? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.